your dedicated source for in-depth motorcycle reviews, analysis, and the latest industry news. Today, we are diving into something special, the return of a legend. After years of silence, Harley-Davidson has brought back the V-Rod for 2025, and it's not just a resurrection, it's a reinvention. The V-Rod was one of the most radical departures from traditional Harley design when it first launched in the early 2000s, and now, in its 2025 avatar, it's once again shaking up expectations. Whether you're a Harley traditionalist, a power cruiser enthusiast, or someone curious about what the motor company has up its sleeve, the 2025 Harley-Davidson V-Rod is something worth paying attention to. Let's break down everything you need to know about this aggressive, high-performance machine that's bringing muscle back to the Harley lineup. A rebel returns, the history of the V-Rod. Before we talk about the 2025 version, we need to understand what the V-Rod represented. First introduced in 2001, the original V-Rod was unlike anything Harley had built before. It was powered by the Revolution engine, co-developed with Porsche, featuring a liquid-cooled 60-degree V-twin that screamed high RPMs, a far cry from Harley's traditional air-cooled thumpers. The V-Rod was fast, bold, and polarizing. Some loved its drag-inspired design and muscle bike performance, while purists viewed it as too much of a departure from the classic Harley identity. By 2017, the V-Rod was discontinued, and its absence left a noticeable gap in Harley's performance-oriented lineup. Fast forward to 2025, and Harley-Davidson has reimagined the V-Rod from the ground up. The new model isn't just a callback to the past, it's a clear signal that Harley is ready to challenge the performance cruiser market once again. Design language: evolution, not imitation. Visually, the 2025 V-Rod pays tribute to its roots, but it's clearly a modern interpretation. The signature drag-style stance is back, long and low, with a muscular tank, fat rear tire, and aggressive lines. But this isn't just a cosmetic throwback. The design now blends aerodynamic efficiency, weight-saving materials, and modern street fighter cues. The frame is a newly designed aluminum trellis, wrapped around the engine like a race bike, improving rigidity while keeping weight down. The LED lighting is minimalist but bold, with a thin strip headlamp and integrated turn signals that follow the curves of the bodywork. Finishes range from satin black to brushed aluminum, with custom-inspired detailing that feels factory-built but far from basic. The riding position is aggressive yet refined. Mid-controls come standard, but Harley offers optional forward pegs for those looking for a laid-back cruiser feel. The seat is low, around 650 mm, making it accessible for a wide range of riders while still giving off that intimidating V-Rod profile. The heart of the beast: engine and performance. Let's talk power, the real essence of the V-Rod legacy. The 2025 V-Rod is powered by a new generation Revolution Max 1350 engine, derived from the same platform used in the Pan America and Sportster S but tuned specifically for raw, straight-line performance. This liquid-cooled 60-degree V-twin produces a claimed 140 horsepower and 130 Nm of torque, putting it squarely in the power cruiser category. But what really sets it apart is how it delivers that power: a flat torque curve, quick revving character, and a throttle response that's crisp and immediate. Thanks to ride-by-wire technology, Harley has integrated multiple riding modes, including Sport, Road, and Rain. In Sport mode, the V-Rod comes alive, pushing hard from 3,000 RPM all the way to its redline above 9,000. In lower modes, the throttle becomes more manageable, offering better control in wet or urban conditions. The 6-speed transmission has been recalibrated for faster shifts, and the slipper clutch ensures smoother downshifts under hard braking. And yes, the belt drive is back, offering smooth power delivery without the hassle of a chain. Chassis and suspension, built for speed and control. The 2025 V-Rod is more than just a muscle bike, it's engineered for performance. The new aluminum frame is paired with inverted 43 mm front forks and a monoshock rear suspension, both fully adjustable on higher trims. Suspension travel is modest, as expected on a low-slung cruiser, but damping is precise, giving the V-Rod a surprisingly planted feel even in aggressive cornering. Riding this bike at speed reveals just how much Harley has focused on chassis dynamics. Gone is the wallowy feel of older power cruisers. In its place is a sharp, agile machine that feels stable under acceleration and responsive in turns. Braking is handled by Brembo calipers, with twin discs up front and a single disc at the rear. ABS is standard, as is cornering ABS and traction control on premium models. This means the V-Rod isn't just fast, it's safe, controllable, and confidence-inspiring, even for riders pushing their limits. Technology. High-tech meets high performance. In line with Harley's recent moves toward modernization, the 2025 V-Rod is loaded with smart features. A fully digital 5-inch TFT display takes center stage, offering ride mode selection, turn-by-turn navigation, media controls, and real-time bike telemetry. The interface is clean and intuitive, with smartphone pairing via Bluetooth and USB-C ports for charging. Harley's HD Connect app enables remote diagnostics, ride tracking, and security alerts, a useful tool for those taking the V-Rod on extended rides or storing it for the winter. Standard tech features include ride modes with customizable settings, cornering ABS and cornering traction control, launch control for drag strip-ready takeoffs, tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS, keyless ignition and proximity locking system. For riders looking to push boundaries, Harley offers an optional performance pack, which includes a performance air intake, quickshifter, and semi-active suspension, making this V-Rod as close to a muscle-bound sport bike as Harley has ever made. Sound and soul. The modern Harley roar. Harley-Davidson has always been about sound, and the V-Rod, even with its liquid-cooled engine, continues that tradition. The exhaust note is deep, rumbling, and aggressive, thanks to a revised 2-into-1 exhaust system tuned for both tone and performance. It's not the traditional potato-potato rumble of the Milwaukee 8, but rather a throaty growl that builds into a howl at higher RPMs. Optional exhaust systems, including street-legal performance pipes and race-inspired slip-ONS, are available from Harley's accessory catalog, giving riders the ability to personalize their soundscape. Customization and personalization. Built to reflect you. Harley knows its customers value individuality, and the 2025 V-Rod has been designed with customization in mind. From bodywork to exhaust to tech features, nearly every component has a modular aspect to it. Riders can choose from multiple handlebar options, seat types, paint schemes, and accessory packs straight from the factory. Harley also offers factory performance tuning, letting riders boost power, tweak throttle response, and adjust suspension settings without voiding their warranty. Whether you're going for a drag strip look, a sleek cafe-style build, or a road-hugging muscle cruiser, the V-Rod offers a strong platform to make it your own. Pricing and availability. A premium power cruiser. The 2025 Harley-Davidson V-Rod is positioned as a premium power cruiser, with a starting price around $19,999 for the base model. The performance variant pushes closer to $23,000, while limited edition paint jobs and accessory packs can take it beyond that. Compared to rivals like the Ducati Diavel V4, Yamaha VMAX, or Indian Scout Bobber 1200, the new V-Rod competes directly on performance, technology, and brand prestige, but adds that unmistakable Harley character that no other brand can replicate. Final thoughts. A new breed of American muscle. The 2025 Harley-Davidson V-Rod marks a bold return for a nameplate that never truly faded from memory. It blends the rebellious spirit of the original with cutting-edge performance and technology, offering riders a new kind of Harley experience, one that doesn't shy away from speed, innovation, or attitude. Whether you're a longtime fan of the V-Rod or discovering it for the first time, this new iteration proves that Harley-Davidson isn't afraid to evolve. It's fast, aggressive, and unapologetically different, just like the original, only better.